Blink Sync Module 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi can leave your cameras offline, stop alerts, and block live view when you need it most. In this video, I will show you simple troubleshooting steps to fix connection problems after a router change, new Wi-Fi password, power outage, weak signal, or setup error, and get your Blink system back online. The first thing you should check is the LED status lights on the sync module. During setup, you should usually see a blinking blue light and a solid green light. This normally means the module is ready to connect. If the lights look different, restart the module and try the setup again. If the lights look normal but it still will not connect, do a power cycle on the sync module. Unplug it from power and wait around 30 seconds. Plug it back in and give it time to fully restart. After that, try the setup again. If the problem continues, restart your router and modem. Unplug both devices and wait 30 seconds. Plug them back in and wait until the internet connection fully returns. Once everything is back online, try reconnecting the Blink module. A common reason for this issue is the Wi-Fi band. Blink Sync module often connects best on a 2.4 GHz network. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz together, split the bands or temporarily disable 5 GHz during setup. Also, make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network before you begin. If setup says the password is wrong, enter the Wi-Fi password again carefully. Check capital letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. Even one wrong character can stop the sync module from connecting. Signal strength can also cause connection problems. Move the sync module closer to your router during setup. Keep it within a strong Wi-Fi range and place it a few feet away if possible. Try to avoid walls, metal objects, or thick furniture between the router and the module. If you use a mesh system or Wi-Fi extender, temporarily remove that from the setup process. Connect the sync module directly to the main router first. You can disable mesh nodes, extenders, or guest networks until setup is complete. Once connected, test your normal placement again. If basic fixes do not work, try a factory reset. First, remove the module from the Blink app. Then press and hold the reset button until the red light flashes. Release the button and wait until you see the blinking blue light and solid green light again. After that, add the module back in the app. If the factory reset does not solve it, try the firmware reset method. Unplug the module first, hold the reset button while plugging it back in. Keep holding until the red light flashes, then release the button. Wait for the restart lights and try setup again. Your router security settings can also block setup. Some connection issues were fixed by changing the router security mode from WPA3 to WPA2 temporarily. After changing it, try the setup again, then test your normal settings later. If the app still fails during setup, try another phone. You should also turn off mobile data and disable any VPN or security apps. Use only your home Wi-Fi during the setup process. If the sync module connects but your cameras stay offline, the cameras may need attention next. Power cycle the cameras, replace batteries if needed, and re-add the cameras one by one. If nothing works, and even a replacement module fails to connect, the issue may be router compatibility or network settings. At that point, contact Blink support or your internet provider and let them know which steps you already completed. That's it for this video on fixing the Blink Sync Module 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your module back online and restore your cameras, alerts, and live view. If this video helped you solve the issue, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. If you have any questions or a step worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.